हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग ऑपरेटिंग रूम के इक्विपमेंट्स एंड फर्नीचर के बारे में देखेंगे। इसके आगे हमने वीडियो में देखा था ऑपरेटिंग रूम के इंट्रोडक्शन के बारे में, प्रिंसिपल्स, क्लासिफिकेशन एंड जोनल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के बारे में देखा था। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं कहना चाहूँगी, अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। Now, operating room equipment and furniture, it includes the doors. It ideally sliding doors should be used in the OT. They eliminate the air currents caused by swinging doors. Then, wall clock must be there since time is often critical during surgery. Each room should have a wall clock that is easy to read. The clock is used to time tourniquet applications, then administration of medications, the duration of cardiac and respiratory arrest, and to note the time of events such as the childbirth. Now, X-ray viewing box is the surgeon may need to view an X-ray before or during the procedure. Then lights, the overhead lights should specially designed to provide a range of intensity. They should be freely movable, shadowless and less heat emitting. Then the operating table, the table should be fully adjustable in all directions to create postures needed for various surgical positions. Then Mayo stands, these stands is used to hold instruments that will be used frequently during a particular case. Then back table. The back table is used to place extra supplies and instruments used during the surgery. Then ring stand. The ring stand is used to hold basins which contain normal saline or sterile water during the surgery. Now kick buckets. Kick bucket, a bucket on wheels, is used to place soiled sponges during the surgery. Then supply cabinets. These cabinets are used to store frequently used items such as drapes, dressing, solutions and sutures. Then anesthesia equipment. Equipment including the gas machine, physiological monitor, anesthesia supply cart and sitting stools is located in each room. Now operating room personnel organization includes the operating room personnel organization. In that operating room team, the members of an OT team may include the OT in charge and operating consultants and collaborating surgeons. Then scrub nurse, circulatory nurse, then anesthetist, then OT technicians, pre-recovery staff, post-recovery staff, sterilization staff, storekeeper, helping staff. Now, operating room team is subdivided according to the functions of its members. The sterile team consists of surgeon, assistants to the surgeon, and scrub nurse. Then the unsterile team includes anesthesia provider, circulator runner nurse, OT technicians, pre-recovery staff, post-recovery staff, sterilization staff, storekeeper, and helping staff. Now, therapeutic environment in OT. Measures to ensure therapeutic environment in OT. In that zoning system, the level of sterility and the cleanliness is the most important part of OT therapeutic environment. Then teamwork, working collaboratively to accomplish the patient-oriented goals, help in maintaining a therapeutic environment in OT. All team members work together to reduce the harm and improve healthcare outcomes in a patient. Then safety promoting guidelines, the rules and regulations governing OT functioning. It promotes the safety of the staff as well as the patient. Then environmental structuring. Although OT area is a highly specialized therapeutic environment, developments in OT techniques, instruments and equipments and introduction of new technology and health related findings necessitate in the OT environment. Then minimal contamination. The achievement of lowest possible level of contamination is a prerequisite of any OT therapeutic environment. Then regular monitoring of OT environment for sign of contamination is the most important step in the OT. Then coordination between various departments, like lack of coordination between preoperative OT and postoperative department can detrimental effect on the healthcare outcomes. So that's why coordination between various departments must be there. Then personal welfare and development. The OT staff should be knowledgeable about the new advancement. Thus, regular arrangement of staff welfare activities, small get-together meetings, and continued education helps in minimizing errors and thus ensure the therapeutic environment in OT. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, होप यू लाइक अ वीडियो। अगर आपको आगे ऑपरेशन थिएटर के बारे में वीडियो में देखना है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।